So I'm trying to create a challenge for the 22nd, 7 a.m., 3 days. I'm going to create a custom challenge, and the information that I am using is just directly from the site. I'm going to restrict it to my Business Builder Challenge, and then I'm going to upload the video. Now the video that I want to upload is this one, which is 119.6 megabytes, which is large. So it tells me to go here so that I can convert it down. So I'm going to choose from the device, open, and you can identify how small you want the video to be. So if we're trying to get a target file size, I put in 100 megabytes here, and then apply the settings. It's going to compress it down to 100 megabytes. So we're going to compress now. All right, now it's exporting. So now we're going to download it, and it has shrunk the file size of my video significantly. So I'm gonna go ahead and download that. Once it's finished, I'm gonna practice great file management and put it in the folder that it's supposed to be in. And I'm going to keep both. And I'm going to rename this as the smaller file size, which I may have to put a dot. Smaller size. Okay, and I'm just gonna do a quick quality check. Make sure that none of it got cut off. Okay, we're good. So now I should be able to upload my photo or video in this particular case. Choose all. Everyone saw that it downloaded as 96, right? Where did this extra 1.1? Let's see if it's gonna let me. Please round down, please round down. It's loading like it's about to. Oh, it worked. Sweet. And so that is how I was able to get that uploaded in here. So the site that they tell you to use is FreeConvert. So freeconvert.com/video compressor. And yeah, just easy way to convert your videos. Download them, save them to the Google Drive, save them to Dropbox. If you want to, you can donate, you can rate them. So yeah, I'm loving it. And now I can go on with uploading the rest of my challenges. That's it for this video. See you in the next one, lovely.